On behalf of the United States Department of Commerce, welcome to GMIS America 2022.
It's an honor to be able to stand here today to welcome you to our city of Pittsburgh.
You couldn't have come to a better place, because one thing we know how to do here is make things.
GMIS America brings governments and the private sector together to explore opportunities to make industry more resilient, more competitive, and more sustainable.
The United Arab Emirates has taken significant strides in a short span of time, with the capital Abu Dhabi spearheading the drive to take the manufacturing sector to the next level.
Advanced technologies are transformative for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, especially SDG 9, promoting inclusive and sustainable industrial development, and for progress through innovation.
Realizing these ambitions require collaboration and exchange with the world's leading innovators. And it is in this spirit of partnership that we launched GMIS America.
We're grateful to all our partners for their support to facilitate this week's global dialogue on the future of innovation, manufacturing, and advanced technology.